So hello and welcome my dear friends. I am your Sandeep sir and you are watching MLT tutorial by Sandeep sir. So like the video and must subscribe the video and you must watch the video till the end because apart from this board I shall going to speak much more. This video is based on some survey reports. So every video that I earlier told you that I have earlier told you that my motto is to, when I teach you a lesson, teach you something different, I always present. I would like to always present in a diagrammatic way to more approachable for you. And before this video I have also shared in the description 4 links are there, a full video about the course Medical Laboratory Technology, a short another 3 short videos are there. One is about the courses of the medical lab technology and the course providers and the recognizing bodies. In the second video, I depicted about the salary structure of during a starting life of a lab technician or a lab technologist. And if you going for a private job, entrepreneurship by self or by partnership, your expected income was depicted there. And in the third video, I depicted about the 10 paramedical courses. Of that, why I suggest you many times for the medical laboratory technology. So this is a exceptional new type of video. I expect that you do not see like such videos. So the video is starting from the lecture is starting from the bottom of this board and then I go to the top. At the bottom, before I start, I want to congratulate every one of you, those who have already passed class 10 this year or 12. So all the good wishes of mine with you. My basic, the first question we are presenting before the students and their parents, how were your results? There are 2 types of answer came, that good or not so good. Not so good, that means he or she did not get the marks expected by him or her, and good, that is by their expectation they got their marks. Our next question was, what now? What now? All of them answered that admission. That means that they want to carry on their studies. So what's now? They told us that they want to take admission. This survey is a part of offline and majority of that of online. So our next question was, academic or general education, would you like to go for that? Academic or general education? We just divided them in major 2 groups. Both the groups said that no sir, we do not want to go academic or general education. Then we asked them why not. They answered that uncertain future. So again we told that, why are you thinking so, that there is the uncertain future? Somebody said that this is the age of science, and somebody said that these are the age of technology. So whatever that science or technology, the appropriate word may not they use there, but they stick in the answer. This is because this age is science and technology based era. So now, but we again question them, but there are many scopes. Some people said that, of course sir, but they stop, they do not go further ahead. Somebody says that there are of course there is a scope, but less opportunities. Our next question was then what you would like to do now. I just put it here the main word. Our question was then what you would like to do now. Both the group was answered or we want to go for professional courses. So again we ask them which one professional course you would like. Some people says that searching and thinking. They are searching by their seniors, from their parents, from their teachers, from online and thinking about that. Somebody says that we are searching, thinking and take counseling. Somewhat they online or take the counseling. Now we give them a task. What the task? We put them not a question, we just say them that think about the new reality. The new reality is that they shouted that what's that, sir? What is the new reality? We have nothing seen in the new reality except the corona. But here is the new reality that the corona did that effect in our social life, in our personal life. Somebody in this manner agreed, do not agree, somebody agreed partially, somebody agreed totally. That we are facing a new reality. And new reality teaches us that our basic need, that is the food and our food and our health sector, that is our health services. This is our basic need. Apart from that, there are many needs we performed before the corona era, but now the corona teaches us the new reality that our basic need is the health, that is the health service and the food. So then they just realized, then they shouted that, sir, you are asking to become suggest us to become a doctor, a medical professional, but how, sir? Okay. But how? Then we again suggest them that apart from that, there are many options. There are many options, that is like a paramedical courses. About the paramedical courses, I show much 2 to 3 videos to them. I just suggest them. Then there again question that most important question was that MLT does means that medical laboratory technology. But what is MLT? They do not correlate, they do not relate with the medical lab technology. Then we just ask them, what is your blood group? Then do you know how a blood grouping is done? Oh yes sir, I understand. Then we put that your parents or guardians, those who have the diabetes, they regularly check their sugar. So sir, yes, all I understand. Then when we again suggest that have you heard the name of corona test? Then the class 2 level students also saying that we know, sir, about the medical lab technology. Now, but then again question us that, is that difficult to me? Or what is our eligibility for that to take admission in that course? Somebody says that, sir, I am only 10th pass. Should I get a government job? And again, we just answer is that about the eligibility, I put a video and I show that video to them. That the 10th pass student can take their courses from NIOS or BSS like that. That is the government promoted bodies. And should I get a government job? This answer is slightly depends. In this corona, after the corona outbreak, all the state governments, central government, public sector undertakings, that is the public sector enterprises, all they have recruited many more medical lab technologists and a great vacuum is created. So hurry up students, you just come and don't think of that government job for a class 10 pass, because only some PSUs are allowing, till they allowing 10th class students for the government job, but the central government did not accept them for government job. Then again a new reality is that like that course, that medical laboratory technology is totally a practical based course, but in that course, in this course there is 50% theoretical portion and 50% practical portion. And the new reality is that this theoretical part in the coming days should be in online mode, and the practical classes usually, that is in offline mode, will going to be held. So they again put their many anxieties about their guide, tutors, tutorials, online classes, and we suggest many of that online classes are available in the YouTube. Again I suggest you that my channel is that MLT tutorial by Sandeep sir. You just subscribe this channel. By coming 2 years, I already put 70 videos about the different chapters and 10,000 MCQs of that part I only delivered, only uploaded for that part. And in the coming 2 years, I will put all the chapters, chapter wise, question answer wise, and apart from that 10,000 MCQs I am going to deliver you without any cost. So subscribe my friends this channel and keep it up, and don't forget that I am always with you. So thank you today.